To create a DocuCare case/patient scenario assignment, select a discipline, and then select Assign next to the case you would like to assign to your students. Edit the assignment name. Check the box next to create a copy of the case for use in a simulation, if you want to simulate evolving patient conditions in a clinical setting for your students. If you would like to add attachments, you can select up to 5 files to attach to the assignment. If you would like to provide students with a preview of the assignment, then select the checkbox next to enable student preview for assignment, and this will provide students with a read-only version of the assignment, so they can review the case without starting the simulation clock. Select Continue. Use the drop-down to select a grading method. You can use a DocuCare rubric. To preview the rubric, select View Rubric. Once you have reviewed the rubric and decided if it is appropriate to evaluate the assignment, select Back to Assignment. If you do not use a DocuCare rubric, you will still be able to evaluate the assignment using the satisfactory or needs improvement feedback options. The Highlight Late Submissions box will be checked by default. If you leave this box checked, then in the gradebook you will see a highlight applied to student scores that were submitted after the due date. You also have the option to add learning objectives and additional instructions for your students. Select Continue. You can assign the same assignment to multiple sections and with different due dates. Designate the assignment's due date by selecting the calendar icon. And the selected due date will display on the case. Select the clock icon to change the time. You can choose when students can access your assignment. The default is set to immediately, which means the assignment is visible and accessible to your students. The other option is to select a custom date and time. The default for the time zone is set to the course time zone, which you selected when you created the course. The time zone can be changed by selecting a new time zone in the drop-down list. Please note, if you change the time zone, it will be specific to this assignment. Select Continue. A confirmation page will display the settings for the assignment. If you need to make additional changes, select the Back button. Once you have reviewed and are satisfied with the options you have chosen, then select Assign. You will see your newly created assignment on the Assignments page.